This is because you snore and Mom can't sleep. And this is Anna, awake, not asleep. She's awake and not asleep.